In this video, I will show you how to make quick flash transitions in Adobe Premiere. This is quick and easy Tuesday, and without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So here in Adobe Premiere, I've just created a new empty project and imported my clips in a folder in my project bin. Now I can just drag a clip and just drop it into the timeline window to create a sequence. Now let's just take a look at our clip. Now in the project bin, I can select create new and adjustment layer. Let's just drag and drop this adjustment layer on top of where these two clips meet. Now, while selecting the adjustment layer, I'm going to go over to the effects window, over to video effects, color correction, and then I'm going to add a brightness and contrast. Over to the first frame of the adjustment, I'm going to keyframe the brightness and contrast to 0%. Now, where these clips meet, I'm going to just set the brightness and the contrast to about 100%. Now, where the adjustment layer ends, I'm just gonna set this back to 0%. So in short, we have something like this. If you don't want this to be a long transition, then I'm just gonna rearrange the keyframes just here and there. So it's just a quick flash. Now let's take a look.